This is my granddaughter, Mariah.
Peace.
Okay. Anyway, we're going to make what we call an easy Eclair dessert. And we're going to get this started. Mariah has requested that she doesn't really feel like being on tape as we prepare it. But I'm going to show you what the ingredients are. We're going to use graham crackers, milk. I've already pre-measured the Cool Whip. I'm going to need 12 ounces of Cool Whip. 2 boxes of the small boxes of the Jell-O instant pudding mix. We chose chocolate. And let's see, milk chocolate frosting. I always usually buy the cheaper brands. And some strawberries for garnish. Anyway, we're going to start this. We've already lined the bottom of the 13 by 9 inch pan with 1/3 of the graham crackers. And I will make sure that I post the recipe when we're all through with this, in case you want to give this recipe a try. It's really a great recipe. It's rich, and you'll impress your guests with it, believe me. I've had many, many compliments on it. And I found this recipe, I don't even remember where, I think it was out of a magazine. Anyway, Mariah, let's get started. I'll shut this off for now, and we'll get going on this, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's all finished, okay?
Bye.
Anyway, this is the finished product here with half of it gone. That's what it looks like. It is so good. It really tastes like a rich chocolate Eclair. So you might want to give it a shot.
You should. It tastes really good.
Thanks, Heather.
Hey, that's not fair. It does taste good.
That's what she said.
I know, but I want to be the star.
Well, you didn't even want to be in it last night.
You can't be in this.
We got jealousy here. Anyway, okay, folks, you give it a shot. The recipe is posted on the video. So anyway, hope you enjoy it as much as we did. Bye.